Sini nga Disyembre, isa man sa naging highlights ng Organic Farmers Festival amo ang Cook Fest naging pangunahan sang sikat nga Negrense chef nga si Margarita Forres.
It's amazing that the city invited a collection of the most prominent chefs. I think that it's wonderful because they're such wonderful mouthpieces. They're going to tell all the other chefs in Manila about it. Judging from their faces, now that they're cooking over there, I think that you won't have a hard time inviting them back.
Subong na ari di sila, amo ni sila mga pinakamayo kag pinakagrabe ng mga chefs sa Pilipinas. So nagkadto di sila sa aton. It's an honor, it's a privilege to cook with them and for them to promote our product.
Advokasya sang probinsya amo ang maibahin sa tanan nga ang paggamit sang organic products dako ang maibulig sa aton nga mga mangunguma sa palibot kag sa aton nga ikaayong lawas.
Apart from really sort of being very firm about participating in sustainability and protecting the environment, I think maybe on a personal level, I'm a cancer survivor. So having been cured from the disease, I think that it's become also a real sort of crusade for me. And I feel maybe even a responsibility, at least sort of share the information so that more people can be aware.
I think it's a terrific idea because we are enriching our knowledge of cuisine using our own local products. And you have no less than chefs from very good restaurants in Manila recommending actually the trend towards organic food. As a cancer survivor, I particularly appreciate that because I'm vegetarian.
Nagbahin man sang iya nga recipe ang isa pagid sa sikat nga Negrense chef nga makita man sa Junior Master Chef, si Chef Fernando Aracama.
You know what? Honestly, wala gi kuya bala kibalo nga amo na ka-strong until we came here, which is amazing. Amo gini ang point nga nagpauli kami diri upod ang mga amigo ko nga mga chef man. Gapangita kami sang maayo nga produkto nga magamit sa amon nga restaurants. Hindi lang namit, the health benefits that come with it, and definitely ang suporta sa community and the support for my home island. And I think my chef friends are just as amazed as I am.
Nangin madinalag-o naman liwat ang paghiwat sang Organic Farmers Festival sa probinsya sang Negros Occidental. Padayon naton nga pasanyugon ang organic nga mga produkto. One food, one island, one life.